This video right here is the final installment in the series that I've been doing on getting this old Sears RotoTiller to work again. It has this 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine on it. We're going to fire it up today. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon again. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, you guessed it. There's my website address right there. Check that out when you get a chance. So we're going to fire this thing up today. You are going to notice one real big difference on this engine right here. Right there. Ooh, that's shiny. New muffler. I had no choice. Check out the muffler that I took off. Right there. It's not even a muffler anymore. It's just a gigantic hole in the side of the cylinder. So I didn't have any choice. I had to put a new muffler on there. Another part we had to put on. Hey, on that note right there, I'm putting parts on. If you missed some of the videos that I've had in this series, I got links right underneath this video in the description that you can get back easily to the other videos I've had on doing all this stuff on this engine to get it to work. Click on those, get you back to those real fast. On those videos, I have received so many comments, obviously, but a lot of those comments were, Steve, by the time you're done this series, I want to know how much it cost to do what you're doing. Fair enough. Here we go. First of all, I got a couple really good deals at a local small engine shop, including the muffler. That muffler was old stock. They want to get rid of it. It cost me $5. Also, the head gasket, bought from the same shop, also old stock. They gave that to me for a good price too, $7. The coil in here, I had it kicking around the shop. That was free. The air filter, $7.16. Spark plug, $5.36. The diaphragm right in the side of the carburetor right there, $5.82. The engine oil that I had, well, I had to replace the engine oil, obviously, because it was so full of ATF and acetone poured down that cylinder. I had no choice to replace the engine oil on that. A liter of engine oil cost $8.50 for me. I used exactly half of that to bring it up to the full level, so we'll call that $4.25. The intake gasket right here that goes from the carburetor to the cylinder was $4.50. And the gasket that goes between the carburetor and the tank, I had no choice but to change that too. That was $9.28. Yeah, that sounded a little bit high to me too, but I had no choice, had to do it. That comes to a grand total of $48.37. We're going to add a little bit on there for shop supplies, what we call shop supplies. A little bit of ATF, a little bit of acetone, a little bit of carb spray, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Let's just round it up to $50. That's $50 Canadian dollars. Now, for all my United States friends out there, that works out to $41 USD. For my Australian buddies out there, 53 Australian dollars. And for my British friends out there, that is 29 quid, 29 British pounds. I'm going to stop right there. I'm not going to list off every currency exchange on this entire planet. So now what do I got to do? Duh, obviously I have to go put this engine back on the RotoTiller, and we're going to take it outside and fire it up. Give me a second. Well, we got her all buttoned back together now. Just so you know, I already have it warmed up, so don't be alarmed when I actually pin it to full throttle right away. Check it out. she's alive. I love it. But if you listen really carefully and look really closely at that clip I just did, you will notice that when I'm revving it up from high and low to high, the little puff of blue smoke comes out. And also, if you listen really carefully, you can hear it surging, hunting a little tiny bit. It's there. But all in all, I'm really happy about this. It works. And I hope everybody has learned something from the series I've done on getting this thing to work again. I know that I have actually learned a couple things from this. So we're golden on that. I am very happy I did this series. Subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. Give me that thumbs up button if you could. That'd be really cool. And comments, guys. Put your comments down. Let me know what you think about the whole series, not just this video. If you want to see the video that started the whole thing, check it out right there. That's the one. Click on that next. Till the next time, guys and girls. Cheers. Steve out.